Okay guys, today we're going to make a Cookie Monster shake, and I'm whipping this one up specifically for Maurice. And to make this, what we're going to use today is we're going to use our vanilla protein drink mix. We're going to use our cookies and cream, healthy meal, Formula 1. We're going to use some powdered peanut butter, any kind of powdered peanut butter. You can get this at any grocery store nowadays. I have the PB2 brand here, but even Walmart has their own brand. I have a couple of different kinds of cookies crumbled up for the topping. Some whipped cream over here. I have 2 cups of ice, 3/4 of a cup of water, and we're just gonna put this all in our blender and blend it. And as a reminder, you guys, the real key to getting the texture that you want in your shake is time in the blender. And with just a basic blender like this, it's gonna take about a full minute to get that creamy, not icy, but that creamy, soft serve ice cream texture. So we're gonna put this all together. Okay, now I've got this all blended up. Here's about what it should look like, nice and thick. And for the toppings, we're gonna do some stuff to the cup, and we're gonna dump some stuff in here. I see a lot of the shakes with the toppings all on top, and it's pretty, but I like to have that stuff mixed in my shake, so I just stir it right in anyway. So I'm gonna show you how to just like put it all together right off the bat. So I have a couple crushed up Oreos, without the frosting of course. I'm just gonna dump some of that in there. I'm going to dump some of this other crumbed cookie in there like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of the whipped topping inside of the cup. And I'm going to like mix this just a little. I'm not mixing it in, I'm just making it move easier. Now, whipped topping the cup. And I'm going to put some syrup on the sides of the cup. A little bit of chocolate and a little bit of butterscotch. Just kind of all over the place. Now, for your messy cookie, I mean, the Cookie Monster doesn't eat nice, right? Just pour all of that in there. Now you can see it's just kind of like all mixed in. Now we're gonna put just a little bit of the topping on top, some more syrup, syrup's really cold. Sprinkle some of this. And I found some of these at the grocery store. So I'm just gonna stick a couple of these right in the top, like that. And there we go.